Hi, I'm Nicola Penzo, Sales Manager at Oesse, where for 27 years we have been developing customized heat exchanger for different sectors, including agricultural, naval, industrial, on-road, off-road, and continuing to explore new application circuits to cool, such as fuel cells and hydrogen. Our team works together with customers' technical departments to develop reliable heat exchanger in different configurations, such as side-by-side and back-to-back for different circuits. We produce with flexibility, even in small series, through a highly customized process to meet customer requirements and propose specific cooling modules for different applications. Find out more about Oesse and our customized solutions